Good morning guys, so now I'm awake and yeah, I'm gonna start editing this vlog right now and yeah, that's what's going on. So this is the outfit right now, just really basic. I gotta head out, but yeah, I couldn't really figure out what to wear, so I just put on this anyways. So yeah. Hello guys, so now I'm at the train station. Oh my god, this lighting is so terrible, but yeah, as you guys can see, now we're gonna have dinner at the my favorite restaurant. It is currently 18. Oh my god, focus. Okay, you can't see shit. 18:53. It's currently 18:53, and yeah, just sitting here waiting for my friend. The makeup looks really terrible in this lighting, but yeah, so this is the outfit. I don't know what this is. I just put on like something random and I was like, okay, whatever. This works. It's super cold outside today. Sorry, it's so noisy here. But yeah, it's super cold outside right now. I think it's less than 10 degrees or something because, oh my god, and I wasn't prepared for it because it has been so warm here for so long. Yeah, sorry about the noise. And yeah, we're heading to the restaurant when she comes in 10 minutes, she said. So I'm just listening to music right now. I've been really obsessed with Kiss and Makeup by Dua Lipa, I think. I really like her songs. Okay, the lighting here is so terrible, but yeah. Anyways, that's the update. I'm so excited to eat at my favorite restaurant. So yeah, now I'm heading out to show you guys a little bit of the outside of the building. It was a little bit noisy in there, so sorry about that. But I thought anyways I would show you guys a little bit of Rotterdam. Let's zoom, there we go, almost, yay! Okay, so look at that. Wow. Yeah! It looks so good! Now I'm at the central station. I love this so much. Every time I come here at this hour, it's so good. Yeah. My favorite place. Oh my god, feels like Christmas. I love this. I love the city by night. Damn.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Like,
I love candles so much. Oh, I don't know why it doesn't focus. So nice. Okay guys, we got a unboxing here from Superdry. So I bought something from Superdry and this is not sponsored or anything, but I thought I would still do a little bit of an unboxing for you guys because yeah, maybe you're interested in seeing what's inside, and I'm super interested as well because this is my first Superdry item. Whee! Okay, I know it's a bit like we're in bed and everything, but let's just open it. This package came really quickly. We ordered this like 3 days ago, and now it's already here. Ah, this is blue though. Okay, doors unboxed. Okay. So the first thing we got here. Oh. Oh no! Ah, it's only one of the items. So my item will come later. Blue shirt, really nice, with like the Superdry logo right there. This is for my boyfriend. This is his Christmas gift from me. So nice though. And yeah, okay, so we got another Superdry package on its way then. So yep. So for dinner we're having potato, chicken cordon bleu, and some sauce. It's called choux. I don't know, some brown sauce and some broccoli. So yeah, I'm really excited. So this is another day, and yeah, the packages came separately, so this is finally my package. So we're gonna do a little unboxing of that right now. Yay! Oh, that went a lot faster than I thought. And first, let's just take this out. And here it is. A knitted sweater. Interesting. Ah, I love this design. Like, look at the details on the arms. Yes, this is why I bought it. I love the arms. They're so good. And also this one was really cute. The Superdry logo. Not the typical orange. So yeah, nice. And it has like a turtleneck, so you guys can see here. And then it's the Superdry tag. Cute! So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!